So we're back where we left off from last week at the Binder Boulders. I'm about to head up to Josephine Falls, which is at the base of Mount Bartle Frere. Check out this spot, the Binder Boulders. It's absolutely sick.
Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat.
Still pretty early in the morning, so there's not too many people here yet, thankfully. But I think it's about to change because a big bus group just got here. At least I get to show this place off before it gets full of people and go for a little bit of a swim myself. Check out how ridiculously clear this water is.
Spend less time in your head. With every star.
So that's the main swimming hole. We'll just back out over there. And I just found out there's a little sidewalk off to, it'd be the left as if you're going into the main pool. Devil's Pools it's called. So apparently there's massive boulders down here, a few cool lookouts. You're not supposed to swim up here because apparently it can be a bit dangerous. Gassy, this is what they call the boulders, as you can see. There's another absolutely stunning spot up in far north Queensland, the Binder Boulders. If you come up to far north Queensland, you've got to check this place out. It's absolutely sick. Binder Boulders was an absolutely awesome little spot, wasn't it? Jeez, that water's just so ridiculously clear. Kind of like Mossman, that creek, but it doesn't cost $14 to drive 1 minute up the road. We're outside of the weekend again, so it's Monday, which is great because it means less people. And we're gonna go check out Josephine Falls next, so I'll see you guys over there. Hiking into Josephine Falls. This one's at the base of Mount Bartle Frere, which is the tallest mountain in Queensland, sitting at about 162 meters above sea level. So that's pretty cool. Might see if I can get some shots of that on the way out. You can't really see it when you're right underneath it. Pretty cool looking rock pool. You're not allowed to swim in this one, unfortunately. But there is another really awesome rock pool down there. It's quite busy and I've just had a swim at a Binder rock pool, so I'll probably skip it for the day. But yeah, the waterfall is pretty cool. Well, there you have it, Mount Bartle Frere, tallest mountain in Queensland. We're gonna head on now. I'm not sure where we're gonna go to next. The main goal for the end of today is to head over to Wallaman Falls, which is the tallest waterfall in Queensland. So pretty big day when it comes to seeing big landforms. Wow, looks like we're at another cool spot. Welcome to the spa pools. I don't think we'll see much today. Yeah, definitely didn't look like the photos online. We had a check of spa pools and not very good because of the dry season. There is another spot further up. There's Ateet Falls, but it's part of the same tributary, so I don't expect it to be too good. Instead, I think it's time we head down to Wallaman Falls and see what that's like. There's a couple lookouts on the way, but they're just on the side of the road, so we'll stop and have a look at them. Hey, it's a pretty good lookout. Check this out. Coming up Wallaman Falls, nice windy road, very epic views. Can't quite see the coast, it's pretty hazy actually. Here we are, Wallaman Falls, height of 269 meters. Should be about twice the height of Perlinbrook Falls. Oh my. It's a waterfall and a half. I'm now on the Jacinda track, if I'm saying that right. It is the track that heads down to the bottom of the Wallaman Falls. So we'll go down there and check out what it looks like from the bottom. Decent little lookout right here, kind of blocked by this tree, but the track keeps going down, so I'll keep going down. Even on slipper view, you just fit the waterfall in the frame. Absolutely massive. The cliffs. Honestly, the cliffs are equally as impressive. It's sheer all the way up. Can't believe it's over 200 meters high.